back to my YouTube channel, Elliott Wave Principal. I'm your host, Shaheen. We have important forecast for gold and silver. Previously, I've been thinking that we are going to make a bottom, a strong swing towards the bearish side, but market has not been reacting right. So I have come up with another analysis, and I want to share it with you. Initially, we were thinking first that maybe the prices have gone deeply up, and then we are going to see a zigzag from over here. Then when the prices went beyond, I'm like, okay, we are still going to come down, but it go up and come down. However, we can see that 2, 3 days have passed, and the market seems to be sitting comfortably above this important trend line. This blue trend line. This blue trend line is pretty important, and the reason it's important, it actually defines the support structure for this larger move on the downside. I'll show you in a bit. Let me delete this couple of things as well. So also indicate, keep in mind that we have an initial price went up and we have a structure, another price gone up. So right now the prices are acting like we are going to see this correction for this move right over here. That means that we have already seen a bottom for gold and silver already. So that means this was a bottom right already here. Right now, I'm expecting that we are going to see a swing downward, completing the structure ABC right over here, which is a three-wave structure going up a three-wave structure and coming down a five-wave structure. That's why I've got this black line on the downside and this black as well. This is why it defines if prices, since prices are sitting in this region comfortably, they did not simply go up and came down. That indicates that market is getting pretty comfortable in this zone. However, this strike structure that we started from over here doesn't seem to be completed. I'm expecting that there's a possibility for prices to come down and go back to create maybe a double bottom with this right over here. All right, so keep in mind that we are still, this still will be above the blue line right over here. You might have to adjust this line a little bit. Use this top, or instead of this top, use the previous top, and you get this trend line indicating that prices are going to come down, find a lower as compared to these two lows right over here. However, if prices actually can go above that and we can see a daily close above this top, that will indicate the structure is complete right now. In that case, we can go long by using the previous low right over here. So once again, there are two possibilities. First is that we're expecting for the prices to come down and create a double bottom with the previous low right over here. And the second one is that in case the prices go above and beyond this particular point on a daily time frame and stay there, right? We would like to wait for 1 day at least, and then we can use the higher low as compared to the previous low right over here to go long. I'm still expecting there's a high possibility of prices to come down to complete the structure. Let me show you the larger structure and then you can see what we were anticipating right over here. So I was kind of expecting initially that we have W, X, and Y, and then price has gone up and we're expecting Z right over here. However, things are not looking really uh, matching towards the analysis. That means that we have seen a significant low right over here. That also means that this low is important right over here, which is a correction. Wave up and come down a correction, and then we have means wave one, another small wave one, and then we have another wave coming down right over here. I do believe after wave 1, 2, 1, 2, we are going to see a stronger price behavior upward in gold. But as I said in the previous structure, this is an A, B, and a C. I believe it's not yet complete. Therefore, I'm expecting for the prices to drop first, maybe take a day or two, and then after that, if that happens, we are expecting for the prices to go up. Now, if you look at this trend line right over here, this trend line starts from over here, and then we have used these 2 points to draw this trend line, which goes through the top. There are two tops, one right over here and a higher top. So we kind of goes through it touches the lower top right over here. Prices are coming down. It tells you that prices have found a resistance, come down, gone up, and then right now coming back as well. So this structure, which is basically means that price has gone up, close right over here, another structure coming down and lower. Now this structure is very close to the resistance, upward resistance that we have, horizontal resistance, which is this region right over here. So this region is pretty important for resistance for the prices to go up. And then we can see the prices are actually pretty comfortable. The fact that we have an impulse correction You can see that we have seen a lower. Then prices went on into this zone, and then we are seeing a correction indicate that this zone is important. And then once this structure is complete close to the zone, we are to anticipate prices to go beyond. And this zone will be very important. We can keep our put our stop loss here comfortable. Let's have a look at silver. So once again, with silver too, I was expecting for the prices to drop right over here, right from this bottom, but they are not. So I'm expecting that the correction is still going on. We are about to see a double bottom once again forming in the right over here. The structure is a little more complicated as compared to what we are seeing in gold, but I'm expecting that prices are to come down right over here too. The reason is because if you go on a, I think let's go on to hourly chart. So the reason is because this price movement has gone beyond this right over here. It's still going to, I'm still expecting for the prices to come down. I have seen these kind of weird structure, which are not very bookish structures in terms of Elliott wave analysis, but I'm still expecting for the prices to come down. They do happen from time to time. So keep this in mind that we have this double bottom is a very important place for silver to fall back. Okay. And once again, if you use the diagonal support line that would be sitting above this diagonal support line, we have first test and this will be second test. All right. I hope that I was some assistance. Once this correction is complete, we are expecting for the prices to go down up right over here. So once prices fall back in this region, the closer low that we can use is around $66 right over here, $67. And then we can expect for the prices to make a jump higher. Wish you good luck with your trading. Have a good one and bye bye.